Hi everyone, in this video we'll learn about word art in Word. See what word art is. It will let you to customize your text in uh, some of the styles which is pre-built in Word. You will get more options to customize the text. We can find in insert. See here there is a word art. See, these are the pre-built options for you guys to customize the text. Choose any one which you prefer. You can get many also, but I'm just showing. If you want shadow, click on this. See, you get more premium look on your text. Now, select all, Control A, then click on backspace. Now enter the text. This is how you can add word art text in Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching, guys.